So we're here today at Albert Street looking at the Canopy, which will eventually become a landmark for this part of the city. The Canopy is actually going to be quite significant. It involves almost 900 steel members, 3,400 bolts, and it will eventually be almost 16 metres above Albert Street Station itself. So my name is Ilyan, I'm one of the area engineers working with the Delivery Authority. So Albert Street Station is right in the middle here of the Botanical Gardens, Queen's Wharf, and the Queen Street Mall just ahead of us. Once the modules were pre-assembled off-site, due to the size of them, we had to actually deliver them on night shift to make sure we could safely get them onto site. It was very challenging for the team to get the modules lifted up and installed into place. There was very tight tolerances between the bolts that were pre-installed onto the structure and the actual pre-assembled modules. So our steel structure will eventually end up being about 150 tonnes, 22 metres wide over Albert Street and the green spine, and 45 metres long. Once all the steel is installed, we'll then move into doing the roofing and doing all the cladding and all the architectural finishes that will fit out the actual canopy and the skylights within. The canopy is going to be clad with a anodized aluminium gold finish. We'll be installing 38 individual skylights, which will shine down and guide people into the escalators at the station entrance. The canopy provides shade for those who are entering and exiting the station, as well as those travelling through our new green spine that we're also constructing as part of our works here at Albert Street.